I'll explain my Python code about the vending machine. I am Salazar, a level 4 creative computing student. So first, what is a vending machine? A vending machine is a machine that dispenses foods. My code is very similar to that. However, I added void or cancellation of items, and another thing is users can also add one or more items in their cart. So my first step is creating the dictionary. As you can see, my dictionary stores all my food selections. So there are so these foods are snacks like Kit Kat, Lay's, Cheetos, Cadbury, chocolate croissant, Moby, Fresh, and Mentos. So after this, you can see is print munching machine, which is the name of my vending machine, and then print food selection. So this will display the name of the machine and will put the products. So the one that will put the products is the four key items in big A items. Next is insert and name. So on the inputs, the user has to insert coins and enter his or her name to start the code. And then it will print hi and then the username, and then you can now start ordering. After these, the user after these it will put a selection. It will show the program will show welcome to munching machine, choose a snack. So you can choose one or more items, and then this print choose more item number, or D to finish, or C to cancel. So if you chose to put more items, you just have to enter the food corresponding number. So 46, 44, and etc. And if you want to, and if you're done to selecting your item, you can just enter the letter D, and it will go to the this one, your order summary. So if you keep on adding items, for example, I will run the program. Example, you will put 4 dirhams, then name. So hi Win, you can now start ordering. Welcome to Munching Machine, choose a snack. For example, 44, which is Kit Kat. So this choose more item number, D to finish, or C to cancel will show, and then this Kit Kat has been added to your order will also show every time you put your items. And then now I will press D, done, and then it will show your order summary, Kit Kat, 4 dirhams, updated stock since there's name, price, and stock. So total amount is 0. So thank you for your purchase. So through all that you've seen, let's now go to when you press C, or when you enter C, it will cancel all your orders, and the program will ask them to select a product. So for the payment, here your total amount. So for wait, let's change 5 dirhams mean 44 or 57 if you press the summarize. Have so it will show thank you for your purchase. Your change is 0, so you don't have any change. So if insert is less than balance, it will show thank you for your purchase. Your change is, and then in else condition, print insufficient payment. Please insert more money if the balance is not equal to the insert. So that's all. This code is very simple, but I think it has the function of a regular vending machine. That's all. Thank you for today and have a nice day.